So we just pulled up our little spot. We're getting the girls ready with their Lunchables. I saw what looks like a snakehead swimming with a peacock, so let's see if we can entice something with a fluke. We brought shiners, but I like to fish artificial too. This little fluke setup is one of my absolute favorites for Florida fishing. It's a Yamamoto D-Shad with a 1/16 Evolution tungsten weight on the front. And I think it's a 4.0 EWG hook that's got the twist lock that keeps the bait on. It works really well. That's it right there. Really weedless. I could fish it anywhere and they absolutely crush it. Fish on. Peacock. Just a little one. Yep. Here, we'll let them fight down this way. Stay away from the water, honey. Hey, away from the edge, girls. There we go. Pretty one. Very orange. Really orange. Probably about 1.5 pounds, maybe 2. Perfect little circle hook set. Pretty fish. Look at all that orange. Nice. There we go. First one. Okay, off you go. Well, you wiggled out of my hand a little too soon. Let me help. There you go. What is that? A little otter? Yeah. We got a little otter. He's seen us.
Okay, gotta get fish on, guys. Or a turtle. Oh no. I don't know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Daddy. We got a turtle on. Oh, it's a snapping turtle. That's not good. Oh no. It's a big snapping turtle. No. Daddy can't touch that. We'll probably have to cut our hook off. Now he's got chompers on him like you have no idea. Oh my goodness, that's a snapping turtle. Oh, he came off. I seen him over there. I didn't know it was a snapping turtle. Wow. Did you see him? All right, go sit down. All right, Chris has got a largemouth on. Pretty sure it's a big largemouth.
Oh, it's not big. It's like 2 pounds.
Oh, a couple pounder.
Just hit under this bridge.
Hold on a second. Daddy's reeling in the fish. Oh, it's probably maybe a pound. Pound and a half. Yeah.
Skin hooked. Barely.
Either way, put them up right in front of the camera.
Yeah. Yeah. Just
Yeah.
barely skin hooked. Interesting.
Yeah, I love that one. I love it when that happens. That's a circle hook too.
Yeah, circle hook.
Yeah.
Skin hooked in the mouth. There you
Yeah.
go. Not bad.
Perfect.
Take it. Little 2-pounder.
Oh, oh, something's trying to eat him. He's going under. Look, look, Riley.
Mommy's got something.
Got a fish. Oh, hold on. It's on all the way. Oh, we gotta let him take it.
Yeah, it's.
He's still swimming with it.
Hang on, that might
Shoot.
be the shiner.
That ain't no shiner.
Let him eat it. Let him eat it all the way.
It's
What do you
gone.
think, Riley?
It's gone.
What's gone?
I think I don't have no fish.
No, it's pulling against the current. What are you talking about?
Oh, I'm not reeling yet.
I know.
Whoa.
Go ahead, reel. Set the hook.
It's not big. Come on, Bri. Whoa, never mind. I was wrong. It's decent size. Come here, Riley. It ain't swimming no more. What in the world?
Weird.
Is it a turtle? Oh, it's a big fish. Holy crap.
Big large.
Big old 3-pound largie.
Yeah, big largemouth. Here, stay here, Riley. I got you. There you go. Mommy's gonna lift that up.
That's at least 3. That's about 3-pounder.
It's a nice one. Yeah, it's a nice one.
Here. I got all kinds of line hanging out. Hold on, Riley. Look how cute. No, he's not 3. He's only about a pound.
Ah, 2. He's like 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
Still cute.
Nice fish. There you go.
I'm gonna swallow him a little bit though.
Oh, Alicia's on. Alicia's got something. Ooh, feisty. Feisty. What do we got? Feisty. Looks all right. Peacock. Yeah, looks like a peacock. 2-pounder, 3-pounder.
This ain't a peacock. This is
Oh, is that a largemouth?
a nice large.
No. Looks like a peacock to me.
Oh, it's a nice. Oh, it's beautiful. That's a peacock.
Yeah, it's a peacock.
Holy
Pretty peacock.
mackerel, that's a 2.5-pound.
Yeah, nice peacock.
Maybe 3.
Beauty.
We did it.
Dark peacock.
Yeah, it's a large peacock. Yep.
You're gonna have to hold him. He don't want to be held.
I know. He's gonna get let go.
Okay, throw him in.
I think that might have been a little too big for her to try to reel in. So
Yeah.
I was thinking if it was decent, I want to make sure I get it in. Come here, Riley. Come here. Come here.
Well, let's see what else we got. I think we got a baby peacock. Got something on artificial. Got something on artificial. Like a turtle? Yeah, I think so. Yep. Yep. He fucking smacked it. I knew it. I think I foul hooked him. Uh-oh. Let's see if we can shake him off. Shake off, buddy. Yeah. No. Oh, he's heavy. We caught a turtle. Sorry, dude. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I'm gonna get you off. There you go. You're free. Go ahead. He gone. Well, I think that's gonna about wrap us up, guys. Time to go get some dinner, but had a good day. We had quality over quantity, which I will take any day. I would absolutely prefer bigger over catching a ton. So found a nice couple little canals, and that's urban fishing for you. Cars going by and sirens and ambulances and fire trucks, and hey, welcome to West Palm Beach.